Home prices across San Diego County are dropping fast. Prices dipped 2.5% from July to August.
CBS 8's Kirsten Holmes is digging into the change for us tonight, finding out if this means the price of paradise is getting cheaper. Kirsten?
Unfortunately, it's not. Okay, so home prices are down because interest rates are now double what they were this time last year. So do not be fooled by the headline. First-time home buyers and economists I spoke to today say that the price of paradise is going to cost you even more.
It's scary nonetheless. I feel like at the end of every day, I'm like, crap, is this right? Should I be doing this? I don't know.
And that's the sentiment Dara, his girlfriend, and likely lots of potential home buyers are feeling right now. Dara says he's been house hunting since January.
Every house I went in, there was probably like 10 offers, and all of them were way more than what I could afford. It's been tough because people are still expecting making a lot of money off their house, but buyers like myself can't really afford it because the interest rates are like 6%, 7%, maybe even 8%.
Yep, you heard that right. Interest rates went up to slow the red-hot housing market. Mortgage buyer Freddie Mac says this week the average 30-year rate is up to 6.94% from 6.92% last week. In some cases, that's adding an extra $1,800 to a mortgage payment.
It's looking more like about a $4,500 mortgage payment for the typical home in San Diego. If you, after putting 20% down, that's a lot of money. Frankly, that's more than a lot of people, even in San Diego, are paying for rent. So that remains the biggest hurdle.
Jeff Tucker, an economist with Zillow, says there is good news.
That has knocked a lot of buyers out of the running, especially in expensive markets like coastal California, sunny San Diego. There's room to negotiate, and those negotiations don't only go up like they were in 2021.
Dara says that's been helping.
Before, whatever they listed as is what they get. Now there's houses that are sitting on the market for 30 days. They're sitting on the market for a month and a half. They have to drop their costs. And I'm like, okay, I can talk with these people now.
But to be able to afford the home he actually wants, Dara says they're going to have to get creative.
I think if you have people that you trust that you could live with in a property that you own, I feel like that's a way of making it work. I would rather work harder and pay into something I own and then refinance in a couple of years if interest rates go down.
All right, so here are a couple more tips from Jeff. He says time is on your side if you are a buyer. So don't rush, take your time, find the perfect place that's right for you. And if you're selling your house, he says you got to make sure that the house is appealing to the buyer. It has to be visually appealing and it has to be priced just right. Gone are the days when people can make a huge profit on their houses here in San Diego. Reporting live for CBS 8, I'm Kirsten Holmes. Back to you.